Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to drag and drop text or images between apps on iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a new feature in iOS 15 where you can pick up text or image from an app and paste it somewhere else. But it all depends if the app supports it. So let me show you how to do it with the text. Open your Safari app. Now navigate to the page where you want to copy the text from. Long press and select the lines you want to copy. Once it is selected, then long press on it so it becomes a floating text line. Keep holding it with your finger. Using your other finger or the left hand, go back to the home screen, open another app. So in this case, I'll open up Notes. Now start a new note, or you can open an existing one. Then drop the text on a note to paste that line of text. You can do similar actions for images as well. So go back to your Safari app. Now find a picture you would like to drag and drop. Long press on it and then the picture should start to float. Using your other finger, go back to your home screen. Now start the Note app and drop your image. And there you go, that is how to drag and drop text or images between apps on iOS 15. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.